Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video always to the end, and ring the bell, all that kind of good stuff. So anyway, Bitcoin is looking good. Sitting at all-time high here. Are we going back down? Are we going up? Let's take a look at it and see what we got. I'm looking at the weekly chart. I wanted to zoom out a little bit and see what we got when we're zooming out. We've been in this channel for quite some time here, and just want to see what we see. Let's see. Kind of got a little ascending relative strength on our weekly chart, which is nice. We've had a good bounce. That's pretty decent. Okay, let's go on our daily. This gives us a lot of upside. We've got a lot of upside potential right here from this point. We can go way up into the 90s like it usually does. From this point, we could have a nice upside. In fact, the majority of the move could be right ahead of us. Looking at this weekly chart, we've come back nicely and had a bounce. So let's go to daily and take a look at it. On daily, we're seeing these nice wicks. Oh, I'll move down to hourly. This is hourly, isn't it? Yeah. We're seeing these wicks, these pop-ups. You'll usually see that. You know, we are at the top of the market, right? We are at the top of the market here, but you usually see that when you see that at the top of the market, it usually means that it's going to continue. When you see those pop-ups, those wicks wicking up, going down, shutting everybody out and wicking back up, going down, shutting everybody out and wicking back up. So that's nice to see. Let's go to the daily. So on the daily chart, we've got this triangle here in our relative strength. Got a triangle here as well. We have this triangle here in our relative strength. I believe the last video I was talking about having this retracement that we've had and it coming back and getting a little bounce off the top of the relative strength. And that would signal our price movement, what the bottom of our price movement would be. We fell through the top layer of the, we had a little bounce. We fell through the top layer of the ascending triangle, and we found support on the lower leg of this triangle, which is fine. This is looking good. Like I said, we had some wicks. So as in my estimation, it looks primed and ready to go. We are consolidating on the highs, so this is nice. Looks like to me something, you know, maybe a little more consolidation and then a pop, right? Something like that. Maybe not that straight up, right? But maybe that straight up. We'll see what happens. Something along that lines is what I'm anticipating. We'll see how it goes. If we break through the bottom of this relative strength, the relative strength is what I'm watching. Oh, I don't want to do that. Relative strength is what I'm watching. If we break through the bottom of this relative strength, then this is on a daily chart, then we're going to have a move lower. Let's get rid of this. Then we're going to have a move lower. I would want the relative strength to get back down to the oversold position without it breaking the top of this triangle by too much. If we would have that move, I really don't want to see it break here, this 57 area. That would be a pullback, but I really wouldn't want it, you know, and then we could get a little bouncing going up, but I wouldn't want to see it break the bottom of this descending channel. If we fall through the bottom of this relative strength triangle, I want to see us to be back into oversold before it breaks the bottom of this ascending channel that we've been in, and that would still be a signal to me that we're going to move higher from here. So if it would break the bottom of this ascending channel, then we'd have targets down here somewhere, right? I probably wouldn't even consider this level anymore. If it broke that, I would be looking towards this area. So anyway, but I think we're looking good. We have some nice wicks going on. Excuse me, I have hiccups. So I think we're probably going to see that move higher, right? So that's what I got for you today. Y'all are beautiful. Thanks for joining me again. And this is what I'm anticipating, but who knows where the market's going to go. So have a good one. See you next time.